Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the cells you want to change and the active worksheet. This avoids editing the wrong area. Once done, open the Home ribbon and check the font name, size, and style because Excel defaults can differ by workbook. Also note the file type, CSV and older. XLS files can strip formatting, so save as XLSX before heavy formatting. Make sure add-ins or shared workbook modes aren't locking formatting. If they are, disable them temporarily to proceed safely. Now apply changes directly via the font group. Select the desired font name, size, and any bold or italic styling. If results don't stick, clear existing formatting with Home Clear formats to remove conflicting styles. Once cleared, reapply the font. Make sure to inspect conditional formatting and predefined cell styles since they can override local font settings. Edit or remove those rules if needed. If multiple sheets need updates, use paste special formats to replicate consistent font quickly. Finish by saving changes and, if sharing, embed fonts. Save as, then tool save options and enable embedding so recipients see the same typeface. If fonts still look wrong, open File options and verify font substitution or language settings aren't swapping your chosen font. Finally, restart Excel and, if necessary, run a quick office repair to restore missing font files. If problems persist, test in safe mode to rule out add-ins. That single troubleshooting step often reveals the root cause.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.